All right guys, another Raptor, another interstate Raptor is finally done. Massive shout out to Tony all the way from Melbourne. As you can clearly see, the Raptor's done. Front bar, rear bar, roof rack, lift with the light bar, on the roof, integrated light bar, hard lid from Ute Master with the Rhino rack thingamajiggies on the back. Now the most exciting thing about this whole build, they have introduced a brand new wheel which is known as the ROH Battle Axe. Now this wheel here comes in many different offsets, many different fitments, and it's perfect for the Raptor, running a 17x9 with a 35 offset. So you really fill out the guards but not get enough poke on it. So as you can see, it's finished, it's done.
How's it going, guys? You probably haven't subscribed, commented, or liked yet, so let's make a deal. If you could hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and like this video, we at AutoCraze will continue to produce the highest quality content you've ever seen. It will allow us to expand our ideas and production. We will know that we are creating quality content and that it's hitting the spot for you. Please take a moment to do so. We appreciate it. Back to the video.
Craziest thing about this build, we picked up the car in one day. A massive shout out to the boys in the workshop. They got it done in one day. If you want to get anything done, if you're interstate or wherever the hell you are, come down, pre-book, and we can get it done for you. I guarantee it gets done one day. Just bring it down to AutoCraze if you want to get your Ranger, Fortuner, Hilux, BT50. It's got 4 wheels, we can do it. Like, subscribe, share.